Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. 8.1 exercise already we have started. Okay, and up to 5 questions we have done. Now we are going to start from question number 6. Express the following as centimeter using decimals. Sorry. Express the following centimeter using decimals. Now first question of main question number 6, A part, 2 millimeter. Okay, I am doing for you here. First question, children, I am going to write 2 millimeter. Question number 6, 2 millimeter, and second 30 millimeter. And third, you can do same way. Okay, I'm writing 116 millimeter, and fourth is 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Now let us start. First question, children, that is 2 millimeter. Okay, first question is 2 millimeter. You have to convert into what is that? Into decimals and into as centimeter. Okay, in 1 centimeter, how many millimeters are there? 1 centimeter. Before starting this, we will write I am just writing here main points that you have to remember. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, you see here, this is scale. You have seen that. Okay, children, and on this scale, children, from this point to this point, okay, this is 1 centimeter, this one, and these smalls, what are these called? Small, these are, okay, you are able to see the cursor, these are small divisions. Okay, between 1 centimeter is called millimeter. So in 1 centimeter, how many millimeters are there? You have seen that 1 centimeter is equal to, okay, 10 millimeter. I hope you understood. If you have to convert 10 millimeter, if 1 millimeter, okay, is equal to how many centimeter? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, so you have to do like that. I hope you understood. Now we are going to start. What is this? This is question number first. 2 millimeter into centimeter and decimal. So 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter is equal to 2 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, you will write this part in each and every question. I am not writing again. Okay, for 1 I will put point, and after, what is that? After that, how many zeros are there? That you have to write. There are how many zeros? That is 1 0. So only one digit will be there. That is 0.2. So answer will be 0.2 centimeter. Same way, children, this is B part of the question. 30 millimeter is equal to 30 upon 10 centimeter. 0 cancelled by 0. Either you can say 3.0, because if there will be one digit after point, you will put 0 after 1, you will put point before one digit, so it will become 3.0. In C, you see 116 millimeter is equal to 116 upon 10 centimeter. That is where you will put point before one digit. I will start from here. Here point will come and it will become 11.6 centimeter. Now D part, that is 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Children, already this part is given in centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter plus 2 upon 10 centimeter it will become. So 4 centimeter plus 0.2 centimeter. Then what will be the answer? Let me rub first, so you will not be confused by that. So what it will be? 4.2 centimeter will be the answer, children. So I hope this was D part. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do. Now question number 6 I explained you. Now you will do question number 7. Now children, 7 question. You see, between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? Which of these whole number is nearer to the number? 0.8. Okay, 0 point, obviously it will lie between 0 and 1, and because 0 and between 0 and 1 there are 10 divisions, so up it will reach to 8th one. Okay, I am showing you this one. Suppose children, this is 0 and this is 1. 0 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you are able to see the movement of cursor. So this here you will get, okay, I am just drawing arrow. Okay, this one. Here you will get 0.8. I hope, and it is nearer to the 1. So I hope you understood what I want to convey you with the help of. So here the A part 0.8 is lying between, it lies between 0 and 1, and it is nearer to the 1. 5.1, okay, it will lie between 5 and 6 and nearer to 5. Same way 2.6, this one, it will lie between 2 and 3 and nearer to 3. Okay, because after 5 it will become nearer to 3. I hope you understood. So all the remaining parts of this main question number 7 you can do yourself. Now question number 8. Show the following numbers on the number line, children. So 0.2, you will draw this type of number line, and 0.2, okay, with the help of 1.9, 1.1, 2.5. That very simple. With the help of scale you can do yourself, you know very well. Okay, suppose 0.2, here I am just showing 1, 2, here you will show here 0.2. Okay, 1.9, that means here it will become 1.9. I have shown on the another question. So I hope you understood. So you will do yourself in your notebook. I am going to start explanation of question number 9, how to do. Write the decimal number represented by points A, B, C, D on number line. Okay, this is A point. You see here they have written A. So what is this point? 0.8. Okay, so here you will write A point lies on 0.8 and B 1, 2, 3. It lies on 1.3, and then 2 number it lies sorry, C 2.2 and D comes at 2.9. Now question number 10. The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter. What will be its length in centimeter? That I already explained you in question number 6 how to convert, so you can do yourself. And length of a young gram plant, okay, is 65 centimeter. That also dividing by 10, that will be 6.5 centimeter can be written in, you can convert into centimeter. I explained this one also, so you will do yourself, children.